Hello, my name is Tynah Matembe, CEO of MoneyMatiX, which is an award-winning financial education company. And I'm thrilled to be hosting the Grow Your Money event for 2025, which we'll be hosting live in Edinburgh and Glasgow. The new year is upon us, and it's a perfect time to take control of your finances with some smart money resolutions. And this year, I'm here to help you not just set goals, but make the right ones. Resolutions that will truly boost your financial well being, cut through the noise, and focus on clear, achievable steps that ensure you have more in your wallet. From effortless saving techniques, making more money, investing wisely, or finally building that financial safety net. I'll guide you through every step that you need. This is an immersive interactive experience with real conversations, practical tools, and what our events have come to be known for, the three F's: finance, food, and fun. So if you're ready to take control of your money, don't wait. Book your spot now and let's make 2025 your best year yet. See you there.